I'm about to come to the house. I gotta get the sweat and shit off of me.
Sweat?
You know that smell around your neck?
I thought I heard you in the shower.
Nope. I was brushing my teeth. So I was thinking something like about try to get us some extra money. You know, like the cash cow, cash cab.
What's that?
You feed the information through my ear. The answers. You do a thing like on the phone.
What you talking about, dude? They ain't on your car?
Huh?
What you talking about?
Yeah, in the car. Like how they be asking questions.
Don't it have to be the person that's... They don't match it to the drive or nothing?
Say it again?
They don't match it to the ride or nothing?
I don't understand what you're asking me.
Like, don't it have... When you play it, you don't have to, like, sign into nothing? I just don't want you to get in trouble, that's all.
No, we can do it like a Cash App thing. But I was thinking something like, say like the person fare, that what they pay in their fare. It's possible to win it back, or possibly to, you know, basically. Go ahead.
I thought the only person that got... I keep hearing myself. I thought the only person that got money was the highest person of the day.
That's on that. I'm talking about for us.
No, what you talking about? Oh, what you talking about?
You ever seen Cash Cab?
Yeah.
So this would be a little bit different. Like your questions that you don't answer right. It's $1 per question.
Oh shit.
So say like we get questions like on Jeopardy or something like that. Make the first two easy. But you would play through your Cash App. And whatever you don't, say like it's a 10-minute ride. So I figure in 10 minutes you can get 10 answers. You feed the question to me. It come across, or like we set up like the green screen. You have like your background and all of that, and you had your answers up there, and you do it like that. I figured 10 minutes, $10. Either way.
Mm-hmm.
Either way, somebody going home with some extra money, me or them.
Mm.
Trying to find a way to bring in some money in the house.
Mm-hmm.
Have any input on it? Any idea?
Not at 5:30 in the morning, but no, I don't. But I mean, as far as the questions, are you allowed to do that?
Am I allowed to do what? Gamble?
Yeah. Or anything extra. And you know how quick them motherfuckers is to tell shit. Fuck. So how would you pay them while you're driving?
I say it through Cash App.
I know, but I mean while you're driving though.
You do it at the end of the ride. So we was half a month